Public service announcement. Stock Block 1000 shirts. Get that! Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we got new wheels for Akira, my white girl. My 2007 Honda Civic SI. But what's up, y'all? So I got new wheels. Yeah, that's just pretty much what it is. I had them for a while now, maybe like a week, and I have yet to unbox and put them on the car because I don't have tires, unfortunately. So I can't mount the wheels. I can actually mount the wheels on the, oh shit, I don't think I got lug nuts. Yeah, I can mount the wheels on the car, but I just won't be able to, like, obviously keep them on until I buy tires and things of that nature and buy camber kits for the rear and get the rear quarters, the rear quarter panels rolled and maybe pulled a little bit just in case if I want to clear like a big tire, but well, I don't know, we'll see. But lo and behold, we have some wheels. Can anyone guess now? Time's up. All right, let's see what we got.
Running through these checks till I pass out. This shorty give me neck till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you ain't a hoe, get up on my tripod. I've been selling classes like the 5th grade. Really never made no difference with the shit, man. Judge, I told me flip them packs and how to maintain. Get that money back and spend it on the same thing. Shorty like the way that I ball out.
So as you guys can see, your boy got some 5070Rs. A lot of people was like, yo, you gonna get RPF1s again, this, that, and the third. I was like, no! I understand how basic RPF1s can be, but RPF1s is a great wheel. So don't be talking about RPF1s, because it's a great wheel. The Integra got TE37s. I'm not a baller yet, so I couldn't ball out on TEs. So the next best thing, 5070Rs. I bought these from Import Image Racing. They had these in stock. These are like one of the only companies in the States that have 5070Rs in stock because there's a huge national back order on them. And me and Randy picked up a set. I actually wasn't gonna go with the black. I was gonna go with the bronze, but they only had one of the bronze in stock. So I was thinking maybe I should just powder coat these in the TE37 bronze. And yeah, but for now, I'm just gonna probably get tires, mount them up. So we'll see if that's the thing that I'll actually end up doing, because it's gonna cost me around like 600 bucks to get them powder coated, and the wheels are already $1,400 shipped. So 2 grand, I might just rock the black for like brake dust purposes. Because if they're already black, why go back? So what I'm gonna do is take out another wheel and take it and mount them up on Akira so we can see how that looks like. Sounds good? Well, cool, let's do it. So in order for me to slap on the wheel onto Akira, the 8th gen, I have to remove the jack. We'll have to put this mount back on, then remove the jack, because I'm doing my tensioner pulley setup, manual tensioner from Jack Spania Racing. That should be in pretty soon. And I'm gonna have a manual tensioner so I can get rid of my OEM EP3 idler pulley setup. So that's what's going on right there. This is my old tensioner, and this is my new one. In case you guys are wondering why I have 2, in case you peeped game. But yeah, so I'm putting the mount back on so we can use the jack, and then we'll mount up the wheels and see how they look. wheels are always so hard to see, but man, this looks good. Imagine if they were bronze though. I really wanted the bronze so it can like stand out, or a nice semi, well, I think it's like semi-gloss blue or something like that. It was like another blue colorway. I forgot the name of it. Ice blue, some shit, I don't know, some blue. But the black looks good though. Like, look at that. 22 offset. Sheesh. I'm about to run like -4 degrees of camber up front and in the rear, which is great. You actually want to run camber if you're doing time attack. This is it though. This is how she would be. This is aggressive though. Like, just imagine FD2 front end, FD2 rear. All I need is the bumper and a lip, or I should rock this bumper and just throw a lip on it. And then obviously we're gonna go Jay's Racing Wing. Obviously you guys know the vibes. And no more tint, cage on the inside, so you can see the red seats. The red accent gonna be on the wheel. The Volk sticker, I mean the Graham Light sticker, gonna be on the wheel. But yeah, this is it, bro. This is how she's gonna be when I get tires. You know, we're gonna run some Falcon. Probably thinking 235, 40. I think that'll be a nice look. But yeah, that's it, bro. That is it. Okay, so the car is back on its original feet. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up. I'm gonna do like a little delete of this IAC helper, because my IAC's already basically bypassed through the tune. So I'm just gonna basically get rid of this, and then probably get rid of the evap stuff too, because I don't really need it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Alright, so I'm trying to remove the, I don't know what you would call it, but I can't get it removed because I don't have the right size wrench. I'm trying to use vice grips and my adjustable, and that's not working at all. So I might be fucked. So that's that. Also, I am giving away a brand new AEM X series wideband. It's brand new, bro. Like, tape still on it. I did open it so I could take product shots for for Zosh MFG for the Instagram, but this, I'm giving this away. All you have to do is just support Zosh MFG, man. Just buy anything on the website, and then in 7 days, so in 6 days, next Wednesday, I'm gonna pick a random winner to ship this to with their order. So that's it. I'm trying to like give back to the community, since even though it's kind of hard to give back when you don't have shit to give, but I'm trying to start this new thing where, you know, people really, I don't know, hopefully it works, hopefully it doesn't, hopefully it works. I hope it works, because then, you know, by people buying Zosh MFG product, I can use some of that money to invest in buying parts to give away to you guys for free. So it's like the community funding each other free car parts. All you have to do is just support the person you love watching or supporting, which is me, you know. But yeah, we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I got a feeling it don't. I don't know. My support system is, I don't want to talk about it, but hopefully it works, man. I hope. So if you guys want to enter for a chance to win a free wideband, pick up anything on the Zosh MFG website, bro. No minimum purchase required, just anything. So hopefully it works. All right, so I know how I'm gonna fix this. I just have to break off this side and use a deep 22mm socket, which I don't have right now. I also went ahead and cleaned up the gallifolds as much as I can. And yeah, I think it needs a valve cover gasket, don't you think? Definitely needs a valve cover gasket, but yeah. Guess I just gotta plug everything up back now, and then when I get a socket, put it on there. There is no way it's 93 degrees outside. AC on. It blows all right. I don't know, I swear like 8th gens have this weird AC problem. But hey, we're on our way to Randy's house. He has a long pause, a deep pause, 22 socket that we're gonna pick up, and probably pick up some Wendy's, man. I'm hungry. So let's vlog a little bit today. Let's vlog with your boy. All right, got my sockets. Let's go get some food. Probably gonna give me a pub sub. Public subs? Whoa. Okay, we'll get gas first, then we'll get a pub sub. Okay, so right now, change of plans. I am now picking up a front end. What else is new? What else is new? What else is new? Shout out to the homie T. Shout out to the homie Tom for this. Both free. Okay, so we're back home. Got the trunk. I mean, not the trunk, but the front end right there. Take it out the car so I can show you guys what I got. And then from there, with the sockets we pulled, I got Starbucks, but I killed it. From the sockets we got from Randy's house, which I don't even know where they went. They're somewhere around here. All right, so I went ahead and threw on the lip. I'm not a fan of like mismatched colored items like this. Like I'm just gonna probably mount it and that's it. I'll probably keep it on for today just to see how I like the lip, because I'm obviously gonna change this front end anyway. But I don't know, I could like a ricer for a couple days. Why not? But yeah, that's it though. And they got all like the tabs underneath to like mount it to the bumper, like all the OEM tabs. But yeah, this would be considered an HFP front lip. Fitment is perfect. I might just clean it up and sell it. So I don't know, if anyone interested that lives in my area and you have an 8th gen, I have a lip for sale, because I'm obviously not gonna keep it. It is an HFP lip, so let me know. So I just went ahead and broke it. I used a flathead and then like pried it one side, like basically if I was loosening or tightening it. And now the socket should be able to just go right on it, like so. And it is not a 22. So it's actually not a 22, it's a 24. So shout out to my little craftsman kit. I just broke the rest off this sensor. And that's pretty much how it is. You can either keep it there and just block that off, or you can just plug it. I'm just gonna plug it. So yeah, 24, get my... That plug is tapped. I don't have any thread locker, not thread locker, but like that Teflon tape or tape paste. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. If it leaks, I don't know what to do. But now we just have to block this off. I gotta get a cap for that, and I also get to remove this line and cap this as well. So yeah, kind of clean it up a little bit in that area, doing little small things here and there. Next up would be this evap sensor. That has to go, because then I don't have to worry about this all on the valve cover. And then fuel line tuck, once the hybrid racing fuel rail will be soon on the way, probably next video or something like that. Well, next Akira video. And then yeah, so I just gotta cap this off, and then I should be good. I should be good. So this is gonna have to work for now. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly and pick up some plugs so I can plug that hole and that hole, so I don't have any crazy leaks or anything of that nature. But I honestly believe this might not be a problem. This is actually bypassed. My MAP sensor is bypassed, so this might not be a problem. I think I can leave that open, but this I can't leave open because there's vacuum in there, so I have to cap that off, and I should be good. Hopefully this doesn't leak. If it does, then I know what to do. But yeah, it should be solid. Now I'm just gonna screw in the lip, and yeah, I mean, it don't look that bad. If it was actually white, it wouldn't look too bad. But yeah, I'll just screw it in, just rock it for now. Probably take a picture or something, post it on Instagram, be like, hey, anybody want to buy HFP lip? I don't know, we'll see. Honestly, I think I'm gonna do like a DIY project of scuffing this all back, like sanding this whole entire thing down to the original finish, primer, and then put some taffeta white paint on it, and then just rock it for a little bit, because I do want to go FD front end, so this whole front end is gonna be like toast to me. But I mean, dude, the fitment is good. And again, I said I was gonna sell it, so if you guys want to buy it, let me know, because I'll just sell it. But it's not that bad though. If you have a black FG, if you have a black FA5 06 to 08, holla at your boy. On my way to O'Reilly's to get some vacuum caps, and I guess finish out this video. I guess I do like a little cool cinematic kind of the front lip that's on the car right now. I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram or something. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know, brother. Leaving Got my caps right here, player. Yes, sir. $8, not bad. So now I gotta plug up one of the coolant hoses on the Integra as well until I fix, or not fix, but figure out how I'm gonna run my overflow tank. But yeah, got that now. So let me do a little cinematic of the car real quick before we go to the gym. Even though we're in the same area as the gym, but yeah, let's try to get this cinematic done.
Mi vida ha cambiado, pero tampoco es pa' tanto. Solo juego al LOL, yo ya nunca me levanto. Leo sus mensajes mientras me tumbo descanso. Ya no miro el móvil, a veces me estresa tanto. Solo escucho SoundCloud sentado en un banco, esperando que por casualidad me escribí.
So you have reached the end of the video. What do you think about the wheels, the lip, and my beautiful face? I know I need to brush my hair and stuff, bro. I know it is. But I love you. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys are feeling so inclined to support Zosh FG and win a free wideband, link down below. Thank you, man. It really helps me a lot. Like, you don't have to spend ample amount of money with me, bro. Just buy an air freshener. You might get a $200 AEM gauge for free. So if you want to do it, Zosh FG, link down below. Follow me on Instagram so I can look cool for company, so I can get the bag more. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, I love you, but I know damn well you don't give a fuck, and I don't give a fuck. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.